Hello, future engineers. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're still new to my channel and you like what I'm doing, please don't forget to share my videos to your friends and to your friends' friends, to your younger brothers and sisters who would want to take up engineering in the future, and to your relatives. That's one way you can keep me going, inspired, and refreshed. Now, if you find my videos interesting and important to your studies, also please don't forget to subscribe. So, Engineers in Progress 2.2, determine the number of meters in the distance from the Earth to the Sun, assuming that the Sun is 9.29 times 10 to the 7 miles from the Earth and 1 mile is 1.609 kilometers, or 1 mile is 1.609 times 1000 meters per kilometer, so 1.609 times 10 to the 3 meters. Determine the number of tons in the mass of the Earth, assuming that the number of grams in the Earth's mass is 5.97 times 10 to the 27, and 1 gram is 2.205 times 10 to the negative 3 pounds. Also note that 1 ton is 2,000 pounds, or 2 times 10 to the 3 pounds. That's 1 ton. So for the solution to number 1, distance in meter is meters 9.29 times 10 to the 7 miles times 1,609 meters per mile. So that's 1.609 kilometers times 1,000, so 1,609 meters per mile. We can cancel miles, so this is now in meters. But let's express 1.609 or 1,609 meters in scientific notation. So that would be 9.29 times 10 to the 7 miles times 1.609 times 10 to the third meters per mile. So the units is now meters, and it is 9.29 times 1.609 times 10 to the 7 plus 3, 10 to the 10. Hoping that, but 9.29 times 1.609 exceeds 10. So we have to modify the answer further. So it is 14.95 to 4 significant digits times 10 to the 10. So the final answer, because 14.95 can be expressed as 1.495 times 10 to the 1, so 1.495 times 10 to the 11 meters. Then for number 2, mass in tons is 5.97 times 10 to the 27 grams times 2.205 times 10 to the negative 3 pounds per gram. Then we multiply this further by 1 ton, 2,000 pounds. So 1 ton is 2 times 10 to the 3 pounds. And 5.97 times 2.205 divided by 2 definitely is less than 10. So the final answer would be, using the calculator, could be finalized. So 27 minus 3 is 24, then minus 3, 21. So 5.97 times 2.205 divided by 2, whatever is the result, then times 10 to the 21 tons. So it is 6.582 times 10 to the 21 tons. Problem 3, verify that 1 cube plus 3 cube plus 5 cube plus 7 cube equals 2 to the 4th plus 2 to the 5th plus 2 to the 6th plus 2 to the 7th plus 2 to the 8th. 1 cube is 1 plus 3 cube 27 plus 125 plus 343 equals 16 plus 32 plus 64 plus 128 plus 256. 1 plus 27, 28 plus 125, 153 plus 343, 496. Then 16 plus 32 is 48 plus 64, 82 plus 128. 16 plus 32 is 48 plus 64 112 plus 128, 240. 240 plus 256 is 496. So we have verified that 496 in the left is equal to 496 in the right. Problem 4, factor 2970 for your part and 3536. So I'll do the 3536. So since it is a large number and the last digit is even, it is divisible by 2. So we begin with 2 times 1768, and 1768 is 2 times 884, and 884 is 2 times 442. So therefore it is 2 times 2 times 884. Then since 884 is 2 times 442, so 2 times 2 times 2 is 2 cubed times 442. 442 is again divisible by 2, so it is 2 to the 4th times 2 to 1. And 2 to 1 is 13 times 17. So therefore 3536 is 2 to the 4th times 13 times 17. And for your part, 2970, you have to show that the complete factored form is equal to 2 times 3 cubed times 5 times 11. Remember that to factor completely a number, it should be expressed as product of prime numbers. Problem 5, find the greatest common denominator or divisor and the least common multiple of 980 and 126. Remember that for the GCD, we collect common factors with the least exponent. Again, common factor with the least exponent, then get the product. For the LCM, we collect the different prime factors with the highest exponent and obtain the product. So we factor completely 980, and 980 is 98 times 10, and 98 is 2 times 49, and 10 is of course 2 times 5. 49 is 7 squared. Therefore, the complete factored form of 980 is 2 squared times 5 times 7 squared. While 126 is 2 times 63, and 63 is 7 times 9, and 9 is 3 squared. So therefore, the complete factored form of 126 is 2 times 3 squared times 7. The GCD therefore is 2 is a common factor of the two numbers. 7 is a common factor of the two numbers. For 2, the least exponent is 1. For 7, the least exponent is 7. Therefore, the GCD is 2 times 7, and it is 14. Then for the LCM, 2, 3, 5, 7 are the different factors. For 2, the highest is 2 square. For 3, 3 square. For 5, 5. For 7, 7 square. So the LCM is 2 square times 3 square times 5 times 7 square. And getting the product, it is 8,820. So that's the least common multiple. Problem 6, find the quotient and the remainder of 1,440 divided by 72 and 1,440 divided by 71. So by long division, 1,440 divided by 72. So 144 divided by 72 is 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 7 is 14. So it is exactly 144. Subtract, then it is 0. Then we have another remaining 0 here. Bring down 0. So 0 divided by 72 is 0. 0 times 72 is 0. Subtract, so there's no remainder. The remainder is 0. So the quotient is 20. Remainder is 0. For the second one, 1440 divided by 71. 144 divided by 71 is 2. 2 times 71 is 142. Subtract, so we have 2. Bring down 0, so 20. 20 divided by 71 is 0. 0 times 71 is 0. Subtract again, so we have 20. So the quotient is 20 and the remainder is 20. Problem 7, perform the indicated operations. So part A, part B, part C, and you have also your part D. So this is part B and part C. So for part A, take note that ART or ART, 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 ART. So these terms are like terms. Because they are like terms, we simply add the numerical coefficient 7 plus 4, 11, minus 5, 6, 6 ART. So our final answer is 6 ART or 6 RAT, rat, ATR, TAR, TAR, or whatsoever, as long as the symbols, literal symbols are there, and the numerical coefficient is 6. So 6 is, this is 6x squared quantity cube times quantity 2x to the 4th to the 5th divided by quantity 3x to the 5th cube, then times quantity 4x to the 4th. 6 is 2 times 3, so this is 2 cube times 3 cube times x to the 6. Then this one is times 2 to the 5th x to the 20. Then divided by 3 to the 3rd, 3 to the 3 x to the 15. Then times 2 squared to the 4th, so 2 to the 8 x to the 4th. So 2 to the 3 plus 5, 2 to the 8 divided by 2 to the 8, so 2 to the 0 or 1. Then 3 cube divided by 3 cube is also 1. So therefore there's no number left. Then x to the 6, x to the 20, so that's x to the 26. Then the denominator is x to the 15 plus 4, x to the 19. X to the 26 divided by x to the 19 is x to the 26 minus 19. So the final answer is x to the 7. Then 7c, 2y, then plus 3x plus 9y. And this is negative of negative 5, so positive 5 times quantity 2x minus 3y. 2y and 9y can be combined, so that would be equal to 11y plus 3x plus 10x. 5 times 2x is 10x. Then plus 5 times negative 3y, negative 15y. So plus 10x minus 15y. Combining like terms, 10x plus 3x is 13x. 11y minus 15y is negative 4y. So the final answer is 13x minus 4y. And for your part, this is your part, show that the answer is negative 6. So that's it for this video. It's light, but for high school students, it may be a big deal for them. And I hope that it will increase their knowledge, their skills in mathematics in preparation to engineering course.